Hello, in this video I am going to show you the Agent Manager functionality which was introduced in EFM 1.4.0. The main goal of this view was to give the user better understanding and more control over the agents in the system. Monitoring individual agents has become easier as you can see rich details about them. From the agent details view, you can also request and download debug logs from the agents. So in case of any issues, you don't need to log into the agent's environment. The displayed columns of the Agent Manager are dynamically editable, so you can select which fields are the most relevant for you and display only those in the listing view. To open the editor, click on this button. In the left column, you will see the available fields. Now, I'm going to display the last flow update instead of the last scene and add an extra agent type field into the list. The right column, we can change the order of the columns. So let's move the last flow update to the third position. After I click the apply button, these new fields appears in the table. EFM supports filtering as well. Firstly, you need to select the field, select the class name now, and filter on Minify CPP latest agent class. As you can see, now only this class present in the table. We can apply multiple filters at the same time. So if we would like to narrow down the results to the missing agents, we can do it easily. Let's reset the filters. It's also possible to sort the fields. To do this, click on the column header. And now it's sorted by the last flow update date. If you scroll down to the bottom, you will see some extra buttons. Here you can change the items per page value. So now, for example, only 10 items are in the page. Here you can navigate between the pages as well. To access the agent details, click on these three dots near the agents row. Here you will see information about the agent and the device as well. It's possible to open the class level statistics or navigate to the flow designer directly. Below the information, we see some repository metrics and connection queue metrics as well. The repository metrics is empty here because only Java agents are supporting these type of repositories. In the next tab, you can see the alerts. This is useful when you want to check the agent's behavior. So for example, here you can see that the agent went offline and online again by this time. On the third tab, we can check the user triggered commands. For example, when a publish happens or a configuration addition happens or anything else, we can see the history of those events here. If you click on the event, it also opens the details so you can see who executed the given command. Currently, it's no value set because we are running EFM in a non-secure environment, and as this is a configuration edit, we can check which property was edited and lastly when it completed. On the last tab, we can check the agent configuration. This tab and the debug agent button only available for specific agents which are supporting this new functionality. In the property configuration dialog, you can also filter for a specific property. So for example, if you are interested in the heartbeat period, you can check it easily that it's 5 seconds at the moment. If you want to check debug logs from the agent, simply click on the debug agent button and it will trigger a debug command, and once it's available, download button will appear here. Let's wait a couple of seconds and we will see this. On secure environment, the debug agent function is only available for administrators and operators. And it's completed, so we can click on the download logs button. We have similar view at agent class level. If you go to the monitor menu and click on an agent class, you will be able to see agent class level information. From here, you can navigate to the flow designer as well, or open the Grafana dashboard if you set it up properly. One note to highlight is that the repository and connection queue metrics are average data based on the agent's details. The alerts tab here shows alerts coming from all of the agents inside this agent classes. You can open the details, and here you will see the alert details and the agent ID as well. From this monitor dashboard, you can also trigger a configuration edit command. This is also a new function which is available only from newer agent types. Here you can find a property which you want to edit. Let's find the heartbeat period, for example, and add the new value. So previously it was 5 seconds, as we saw. Let's change it to 2 seconds. I click on the apply button, then it will trigger the update command. So all of the agents within this agent class will receive this property update. We can jump back to the agent manager and see. Yeah, so you can see that configuration edit happened, and if we filter on the heartbeat period, we can see the new value. Thanks for watching.